What's up, Eggheads? How are you? I'm Kenan with Newegg Now, always bringing you the best products for the best prices. And today, I've got an awesome power supply here that many people have been asking to see a video for. If you're looking for a highly efficient, quiet, fully modular unit, this is it. This is the Super Flower Leadex III 750 watt gold power supply. Let's open the box. All right, well, it's packaged very nicely. That, of course, only matters to some people. You know, nice packaging won't make your computer run more efficiently, but pretty is pretty. Organization is always appreciated. You've got a bag of modular cables for the motherboard, CPU, PCIe, SATA, IDE, and power. A handy-dandy manual. All right, you've got a little bag for screws for the case, and of course, your power supply. And as the name implies, this PSU is 80 plus gold certified, which means it is tested to be 89.49% efficient at 20% load, 90.68% efficient at 50% load, and 88.21% efficient at 100% load. But on top of that, it boasts the latest fully modular cable design, a brilliant way to maximize PSU cable and connector cable management in general. You know, when I was younger, every different component had a different size cable, which made management like a really annoying hassle. This removes the hassle and also improves your airflow, so you get some synergistic cooling there too. Let's talk more about what's going on inside of this little beast. The Leadex III provides high efficiency and stable power output with its 13 centimeter three-way thermal control intelligent cooling fan to ensure your professional PC system will work under a heavy load. It's capable of powering a system equipped with NVIDIA SLI or ATI Crossfire X if you wanted to know. And how about the multiple levels of fan controls, huh? Compared to the previous Leadex II series, this fan's performance has been optimized in order to really minimize the amount of noise produced. You know, we want the only thing we hear to be the sound of winning, not the drone of fans. The fluid dynamic bearing inside plays a particularly important role in making that possible. You know, you're able to select between 3 different cooling modes according to your PC's environment. In Eco 0, the fan starts operating as soon as the temperatures are between 143 and 154 Fahrenheit. When temperatures fall below 116 to 127 Fahrenheit, the fan will stop. In Eco 1, the temperature threshold at which the fan starts is going to be 107 to 118 Fahrenheit, with the lower threshold being 80 to 91 Fahrenheit. In Eco 2, otherwise auto mode, the fan is running continuously when the PC is on, and its speeds will be adjusted dynamically based on the temperatures. Thanks to the low fan speeds and the FDB bearings, the power supply remains extremely quiet even in active operation. I just want to demonstrate how easy it is to switch between those fan modes. On the back, there's a little button, and you'll see 0, 1, 2, and 3. Literally as easy as 1, 2, 3. This power supply boasts active PFC design. That's power factor correction. Now, I'm not an electrical engineer. This stuff gets a little complicated. But what I do know is that having power factor correction, PFC, this reduces the amount of reactive power your system generates. Reactive power is actually useless to your system. It's different from true power. If you graphed the vectors, they'd be perpendicular to each other at right angles. Anyway, your electric company charges for both reactive and true power, but your system doesn't need the reactive power. So by reducing it, you save money. The more you know. You've also got LLC resonance conversion in the primary range and DC-DC conversion to ensure overall system stability. Finally, you've got 105 degrees centigrade electrolytic capacitors all the way from Japan. These polymer solid capacitors are used on the main board in order to offer the best quality. Already we understand that the Super Flower Leadex III is a great deal, but if all that tech wasn't enough to make you feel safe, you've also got complete protection. Over/under voltage protection, short circuit protection, overload, over temp, and over current protection. The over current protection is on plus 3.3 volt and plus 5 volt rails. This full-scale protection gives you peace of mind to prevent valuable hardware from getting damaged. And that's it, my dear eggheads. I sincerely hope you enjoyed everything you saw here. This will make a fantastic addition to your system, or it would be a great gift for a friend. Show them you care about their hardware. It's got high performance, it's quiet, it saves on the electric bill, and it's got full protection. The Super Flower Leadex III 750 watt gold power supply. For current prices, please check the description or click that link below. I'm Kenan with Newegg Now, and now you know.
Hi, I'm James, and welcome back to Newegg Now. If you're familiar with drones, then I'm sure you've already heard of DJI Innovations, more commonly known as DJI. After all, their drone products account for more than half of the market. And if you've been paying attention, then you've probably also already heard of the very popular DJI Mavic Air 2. Today, we're going to take a look at the DJI Mavic Air 2 Drone Fly More combo set, including a closer look at its specs. All right, first off, let's take the drone and its controller out of this shoulder bag that comes with the Fly More combo. So here comes the Mavic drone. I'll just lay that down here. Here is the remote control. Okay, first off, the camera. Now, the Mavic Air 2 comes equipped with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor. It captures impressive 48MP photos and records 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. Oh, if you're new to HDR, that means each captured frame has different exposure levels in different areas, accurately capturing all of the light and dark details of a subject and settings with a high dynamic range. The captured images are then automatically layered up, combining images from a wide dynamic range to form a clear and precise finished picture. The Mavic Air 2 has impressive HDR video capabilities that are one of its major highlights, made possible by its high-performance quad-Bayer image sensor. The Mavic Air 2 also offers DJI's advanced panorama mode with a higher dynamic range as well as colors that are vivid and incredibly accurate. So all that footage comes out smoothly thanks to its 3-axis camera gimbal. The OcuSync 2.0 system ensures stable video transmission up to 6.2 miles, delivering a 1080p 30 frames per second live stream straight from the drone's camera. Video capture is made almost effortless thanks to the Focus Track feature. Focus Track is a collection of intelligent tracking modes, including Active Track 3.0, which will allow the drone to track and follow its subject while also avoiding obstacles smoothly. Spotlight 2.0 will keep the subject in the center of the camera, and Point of Interest 3.0, which will allow the drone to circle a subject as its center point. These features allow you to automate the tricky stuff and focus on your storytelling and composition instead. All you have to do is always keep your eyes on the drone for safety. The Mavic Air 2 also supports hyperlapse in 8K, which will let you warp time and space for some pretty amazing results without any time-consuming post-processing work. Select your mode from free mode, circle, course lock, and waypoint. Then select the shooting location and the DJI Fly app will do the rest for you. The DJI Fly app also integrates the editing suite experience DJI users will know from the DJI Mimo app. Here you'll have access to a range of adjustable manual settings, some advanced functions, and quick and easy templates to shoot creative and professional looking compositions in mere seconds. So, how does the drone actually fly? The Air 2 has a maximum flight speed of up to 42 miles per hour in sport mode and perceives its environment in 3 different directions: forward, backward, and downward. It has an auxiliary light which improves visibility in low light settings, and obstacle avoidance to help ensure a safer flight. Obstacle avoidance performance and automatic flight planning on the Air 2 are better than ever. The Advanced Pilot Assistance System 3.0 utilizes an advanced mapping technology for smooth following and reliable obstacle avoidance in complex scenarios. The newly designed remote controller features an ergonomic design for a great grip feel and boasts its own battery life of 240 minutes. There's also a handy clamp on top of the remote controller so that you can easily attach your smartphone running the DJI Fly app. Finally, why upgrade to the Fly More combo? Well, let's look at all the extras that it comes with. First off, 2 extra batteries, each with an approximate life of 34 minutes. It also comes with this new battery charging hub and ND filters. This ND filter set has 3 different filters for 16, 64, and 256, handy for adjusting shutter speed and recording in extreme lighting conditions. Also included in the set, your standard drone set will come with some extra propellers, but the Fly More combo comes with a bunch of extras. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more propellers there. So you can swap those out. Those are, of course, low noise propellers to swap out just in case. It also comes with this, a handy shoulder bag to carry the drone itself and all of these accessories together. So the Fly More combo, all these extras, making flying easier and more enjoyable than ever. So that's our look at the DJI Mavic Air 2 drone Fly More combo set, now available at Newegg.com. It's a standout offering from DJI's great line of camera drones. Check out the product link below and head over to Newegg.com to find deals on laptops, hardware, and other accessories. On behalf of everyone here at Newegg Now, I'm James Oliver. Enjoy your tech, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hey guys! Been getting that urge to play computer games for hours and hours? With all the great new games that have been released recently, I know I have. Luckily for all you gamers today, I'm going to present something we could all use to enhance our gaming experience. Ta-da! Meet the AutoFull Gaming Chair. Pretty eye-catching, huh? It certainly stands out from the competition, that's for sure. And once you hear about all the cool features it offers, I'm sure you'll agree that it's a unique deal among gaming chairs. Just look at the pink bunny ears! It comes equipped with a headrest and a lumbar cushion to support your neck and waist. Just what you need to keep you comfortable through those long gaming sessions. In addition, the rabbit ears and premium fox fur tail beep beep, will make you look cuter while you game. The gaming chair is made from carefully selected material, premium PU leather and high density shaping foam. This provides greater comfort, antioxidation, elasticity, resilience, and lifespan. It also comes with functions like 360-degree swivel and the ability for the chair back to be locked at any angle between 90 to 150 degrees, which makes it suitable for gaming, working, even napping. It also features SGS certified Class 4 explosion-proof gas lift that can support up to 300 pounds. This chair is also sideways rotatable and has 7-level height adjustable ergonomic armrest. The armrest cover is soft to the touch and completely removable. It also has premium rolling casers, which ensure minimum noise and prevent scratches on the floor. Considering how expensive floors can be, having a gaming chair that does not cause scratches is pretty important. And also, to protect the floor and add to the overall feel, you will get a complimentary pink mat as well. The ergonomic design of the gaming racing chair is another important feature. It's designed to support your head, spine, and lumbar with a removable headrest pillow and lumbar cushion. This 3-point ergonomic system provides high-performance support for your body, keeping your head, neck, and back comfortable even through long gaming sessions. Load capacity is another great feature of this gaming chair. Its cutting-edge nylon base has a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. In terms of seating area dimensions, It has a 22-inch by 20.8-inch width and depth and has a backrest dimension of 22.44 inch by 30 inches. Its seat height is adjustable up to 3.15 inches. It is pretty awesome. I know I would be jealous of anyone with such a fantastic and cute gaming chair. If you value the experience you have when computer gaming, then the AutoFull gaming chair is a must-buy.
Good afternoon, Eggheads, or morning or night, wherever you are. This is Kenan with Newegg Now, where we always bring you the best products for the best prices. In this video, I'll be showing you the ORTUR Laser Master II Laser Engraver. Watch to the end of the video to hear about a free gift. Okay, so who needs a laser engraver? So many people and so many businesses. All types of shopkeepers and stores use engraving machines to mark their own logos or customer-specific logos, slogans, patterns, etc. on their products. Check this out. I use the ORTUR Laser Master II to put on the Newegg Now logo. That's pretty cool, right? Check this out. Imagine a business card like this. Carpenters, coffee shop owners, online shop owners, they all get their logos carved onto their own products, like utensils, trays, coasters, pens, etc. Picture a clothing designer using a laser engraving machine to make artistic creations on her denim clothing, placing an attractive brand logo onto some jeans or a jacket. How about a musical instrument craftsman, right, carving the name of a loved one onto an electric guitar? Winter sports athletes swashing back and forth between moguls with their personalized skis. Other athletes, perhaps with customized logos, like on the bat. You get the idea. Laser engraving is a huge part of the industry. If you or your business use laser engraved products, but you have someone else do that for you, you're just leaving money on the table for someone else. Cut out the middleman. Use the ORTUR Laser Master II. Right, it brings the power of that industry into your hands. Let's check it out more in depth. All right, so out of the box, you get a pair of goggles. Do not operate the laser engraver without eye protection or laser goggles, please. That's very serious. Safety first. Okay, they give you a little bag here that's got some wooden planks in it, some zip ties. You've got a USB cable, power cable. The engraver itself comes in a few different parts for simple assembly. Putting it together should take only about 10 to 20 minutes. If you're a little slow with directions like me, maybe 25. You've got a large engraving area here. Let's talk about that, right? The body of this machine, the entire body is 550 by 570 millimeters with an engraving area of 430 by 400 millimeters. You know, A3 paper is only 297 by 420, so this engraving area is bigger than a sheet of A3 paper. This extra landscape provides you with more engraving options, like a meadow for creativity. You've got an aluminum profile frame plus structured wiring providing solid structure, smooth operation, and attractive appearance, if I don't say so myself, right? The synchronization shaft mechanical structure allows you to engrave at full speed without any axis issues, and you get really precise engraving with the Laser Master II. The power range can be set between S0 and S1000 compared to only 0 to 255 with other options. The ORTUR Laser Master II can control the beam more accurately. It can even draw a photo on paper with a high-powered laser unit. An 8-bit laser, it can't really do that. We were actually able to engrave a cake. We raised this machine up and engraved a cake, so we'll give you a look at that too. To speak more to the software, ORTUR's Laser Master firmware is smart, fast, accurate, and really easy to use. Featuring a professional motherboard with 32-bit MCU, it can pre-process 32 instructions and supports up to a 921,600 baud rate, making it impressively powerful. Baud rate is a unit that refers to instructions per second. All right, the engraving speed can be as high as 9,000 millimeters per minute and capable of hitting as high speeds as 1,000 millimeters per second if you're not too concerned with accuracy. That's crazy fast. Maybe some unique pieces of art could even be created if each model is slightly different. You know, you could turn them into unique NFTs. Jeez, I'm practically giving away money at this point. You can use Laser GRBL or Lightburn. It is compatible with Windows XP, 7, 8, 10, Mac OS, and Linux. Laser GRBL is the most popular sculpting software in the world. You can import images of different formats. You can edit in Photoshop, Inkscape, CAD, etc. Then connect to Engraver via GRBL laser to engrave and cut away. All right, enough talk. Let's see how it works. Okay, I know I promised a gift. We have a special event, okay? We hope that the ORTUR engraving machine users can actively share their engraving creations and share their feedback in our comments and reviews section. All right, so once this is all live and you see this and you buy this and you use it, go ahead and show off your engraving work in the comment section. The first 30 people to do so can get this Y-axis rotary roller engraving module for engraving cylindrical objects totally for free. Okay, and that's it, Eggheads. An incredible laser engraving device. It comes with multiple power options on the site. Depending on availability, of course, you'll see one of 3 options, 7 watt, 15 watt, and 20 watt. That's for power input, not output. Okay, if you're only going to engrave and do 0 cutting, you might want to choose the lower power units. Just save yourself some money on your power bills. These tips are why you always come to me. I'm dedicated to helping you find the best stuff for the best prices. And if you really want to treat yourself, ORTUR also has a hot new product, the Laser Master 2 Pro. Newly upgraded with the latest motherboard, laser engraver module with smaller focus, smoother engraving, higher engraving accuracy, and an engraving speed increase of up to 10,000 millimeters per minute. At the same time, it also supports ORTUR offline control screen. Experience the latest model and write your engraving experience and pictures of your work into the comments section. Go ahead and share that stuff. You'll get the Y-axis rotation module worth $139 completely for free if you're one of the first 30 people. Ladies and gents, the ORTUR Laser Master 2 and Laser Master 2 Pro. For specific prices, please check the description or click that link below. I'm Kenan with Newegg Now, and now you know.
Hi guys, I'm Tommy here for Newegg Now. So if you're like me and you game and work from home, you know that having a great looking monitor is absolutely essential. But the good news is, it turns out that paying a ridiculous amount of money isn't so essential. So let's have a look at the AXM 27-inch gaming monitor 2K, its specs and its quality, and see, is this the right monitor for you? Alright, so when you crack open the box, you'll see a trusty little guide like this. You'll see a HDMI cable, a AC adapter, and this 27-inch impressive looking monitor. Setting it up couldn't be easier actually, because this monitor has multiple inputs, including your HDMI, but also your DVI and your DP port. So let's talk about this screen. So you've got this incredible 2K IPS panel with a 2560 x 1440 resolution. So your movies, your photos and games are going to look super detailed and clear on this 27-inch screen. What about the contrast though? So this monitor is powered by an IPS panel and a very decent 1000:1 contrast ratio, 5 millisecond response time, and a very wide 178 viewing angle. So all that comes together to mean you get brilliant true to life imagery. But what about the color gamut? Well, let me use a color calibrator to test its performance. Now, as far as audio goes, we've got two 2-watt integrated speakers pumping out dynamic stereo sound. Image-wise, it features adaptive sync, which is FreeSync compatible from 30 to 60 Hz, which helps eliminate any image tearing. Now, I have to say, full disclosure, if you're a PC gamer, you might actually be looking for a 144Hz gaming monitor. For many of us out there who are PS or Xbox users, 60Hz is plenty. And to be honest, I'm just happy to be getting a 2K monitor at such a good price. So finally, let's talk about the aesthetics. It's got this really cool gaming focused design with the red base here, and you can easily adjust the height or tilt it so you can set it just right. So that's the AXM 27-inch gaming monitor 2K. It has some seriously premium resolution, and if you don't mind sacrificing just a little bit of contrast, this thing is a steal at this price. If you want some more information, just check the link below, and if you've already got one of your own, I'd love to see what setup you have and let me know what you think in the reviews. I'm Tom for Newegg Now, and I'll see you next time.
What's up, Eggheads? Kenan here with Newegg Now, always bringing you the best products for the best prices. Does your outdoor wireless network kinda stink? Dead spots? Short range? Has rain, snow, or extreme heat destroyed your router? If you need a way to expand your outdoor network, either for your business offices or for your home or both, you're in the right place. I've got the WAVLINK Outdoor Wi-Fi Extender. Let's get it out of the box and take a look. Okay, here's everything in the box. A power cord, PoE converter, RJ45 cable, some screws, 2 zip ties, got a quick start guide, warranty card, 4 antennas that I've already attached to the main course, the Outdoor Wi-Fi Extender. Okay, really solid construction, and I mean really solid construction. This industry-leading hardware ensures that the extender can be deployed in a wide variety of environments, withstanding broad ranges of humidity and temperature. That's going to be -22 Fahrenheit to 158 Fahrenheit. That's crazy. It'll withstand harsh outdoor climates. It's IP65 rated. That's for weatherproof housing components that can endure extreme cold, heat, or continuous moisture. Really robust hardware. All right, so we know it'll survive, but what'll it do for us? The WAVLINK Outdoor Wi-Fi Extender is designed for WISP CPE solutions and long-distance wireless network solutions. This Wi-Fi extender features up to 1,000 milliwatts of wireless transmission power and has a built-in 4x7 dBi detachable omnidirectional antenna. All right, this provides an efficient way to pick up and maintain a stable signal for hundreds of yards of wireless network connection. Independent high-power amplifiers make for significantly increased power output, up to 5 times transmission power. This is going to enhance existing Wi-Fi coverage, allow you to get that Wi-Fi anywhere, eliminate those annoying dead zones. All right, and while this is working, the LNA, the low noise amplifier, is designed to minimize additional noise and increase the power of the signal. All of that sounds great, but I just want high-speed internet. What speeds do I get? Okay, super fast wireless performance. You've got MT7620A plus 7612E dual MTK chips to ensure stable performance. It has 802.11ac tech. The extender operates on both 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz simultaneously. That's 150 megabits per second and 860 megabits per second, respectively, meaning up to 1200 megabits per second. Different devices can connect simultaneously across dual bands, making this the ideal scenario for streaming HD videos, online gaming, or other simultaneous bandwidth-intensive tasks. With the high power amplification and the 4 omnidirectional antennas with dual frequency bands, internet is just everywhere in the open air. You're ensured to access the internet when you're walking around the home, if you've got a cafe outside your business, or if your school or university wants to extend coverage around a soccer field, football field, etc. It's really easy to install even in those types of large outdoor areas because this one has integrated power over internet support. You can install this in areas where power outlets aren't readily available. That's so nice. And depending on your needs, depending on the complexity of your mission, you can switch between 4 different modes: AP mode, router mode, repeater mode, and WISP mode. AP mode, or access point, is going to convert a wired network to a wireless network, which allows you to connect laptops, tablets, phones, or other Wi-Fi devices. Router mode creates an instant private wireless network and shares internet to multiple Wi-Fi devices. Repeater mode extends Wi-Fi coverage of an existing wireless network. And finally, Wisp mode transmits Wi-Fi from one point to another point. And that's pretty much it, everyone. It's going to be very easy to install. I mean, it's designed to be an effective solution for outdoor wireless networking, so yeah, they've made it simple to use. With its centralized management platform and high degree of flexibility, it's the ideal choice for providing point-to-point, point-to-multipoint, and outdoor Wi-Fi coverage. You'll attach the external antennas like so. You'll find some fixed pole and any other similar object outside. You'll thread the zip ties through these holes here. All right, thread the zip ties through the holes like so. Okay, and then you'll just wrap the whole kit around the object to which you want to attach the extender. All right, then using the PoE converter and power adapter, you can turn it on. There's a very clear set of instructions in the quick start guide to get you connected, no problem. And with all of that, you'll have high-powered, long-distance, omnidirectional, dual-band coverage up to 1200 megabits per second with an extreme weatherproof unit. All right? Get your whole family connected outside and around the house with ease. Stream movies by the pool. Keep all your guests at the restaurant happy and connected outdoors. The possibilities are almost endless with the WAVLINK Outdoor Wi-Fi extender. For current prices, please check the description or click the link below. I'm Kenan with Newegg Now, and now you know.